Hello there, welcome back to our channel, Travel with Cubs. Today we have a thrilling adventure to share with you. We were lucky enough to aboard the magnificent tall ship Capitan Miranda from Uruguay during the tall ships event in Hartlepool. Our Cubs were filled with excitement as they stepped aboard the Capitan Miranda. The ship's crew welcomed them with open arms, making them feel right at home on this grand adventure. We were thankful for the warm welcome and hospitality shown to us by the crew. But wait, there's more. We have an incredible full-length video coming your way this Friday, so stay tuned.